Hello people, today we will look about row versus column. So hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossipfunda. So let's not waste our time for it, let's go. What is row? A row is a series of data placed out horizontally in a table or spreadsheet. It is a horizontal arrangement of the objects, words, numbers, and data. In row, data objects are arranged face to face with line next to each other on the straight line. Some real life examples of row is the children are standing one after another. Now, what is column? A column is a vertical series of cells in a spreadsheet, chart, and table. It is an arrangement of figures, facts, words, etc. Columns are mostly placed one after another in the continuous sequence. In a table, columns are mostly separated from each other by lines, which help to enhance readability and attractiveness. Some real life examples of the column are pillar in the front of a building. The key differences are a row is a series of data put out horizontally in a table or spreadsheet, while a column is a vertical series of cells in a chart, table, or spreadsheet. Rows go across left to right. On the other hand, columns are arranged up to down. In a spreadsheet such as MS Excel, LibreOffice or Google Sheet, the row heading is indicated by numbers, whereas column headings are denoted by letters. You can define the row as an order in which objects are placed alongside or horizontally, while you can define a column as a vertical division of objects based on category. Now, lastly, in the database, the information like name, gender are placed in the rows, while in the column contains information about someone who you are mentioning in the rows. That's it guys. There's a link of our website in the description box. Do check this out. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones. And subscribe Gossipfunda.